Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad dressing. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want about 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, plus your base ingredients like mayonnaise and a little Dijon mustard. Don't forget fresh lemon juice, your favorite herbs, and of course, salt and black pepper. Having your mixing bowl and whisk ready will make the process smooth and easy. Now, let's create the creamy base for our dressing. In your mixing bowl, combine about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. This adds a bright, zesty flavor. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a subtle tang. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. It's time to infuse our dressing with wonderful flavors. Add about 2 tablespoons of your favorite fresh herbs, like chopped dill or parsley, for a vibrant taste. For a little extra depth, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything well to distribute the flavors evenly. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gently fold your freshly made dressing into the 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken until everything is evenly coated. Now, give it a taste. This is your chance to adjust any seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or lemon juice if desired. For the best flavor, refrigerate your chicken salad for at least 30 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.